Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira. So today tutorial I will be teaching you guys how to cut and sew a bustier top with small puff sleeve, and I'm using this beautiful Ankara fabric to make this style. I don't like throwing leftover pieces away because you can actually use it to create something like this. So if you have one, you can use it to create this simple style. So if you are interested to know how to make this beautiful style, so I'll employ you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end. I just want to appreciate all my subscribers. You guys are the best, and those that have not yet subscribed, what are you guys waiting for? Why not subscribe now, so that whenever I upload beautiful tutorial like this, then you'll be notified first to see what I have uploaded. So guys, like I said, if you are interested to know how to cut and sew this kind of style, I'll employ you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end. You can also share this tutorial with your friends, with your family members. Please, you can also ask them to also subscribe, and for you to also support this channel to grow, please always watch my tutorial to the end. It's another way for you to support my channel to grow. So let's get started now with our tutorials now.
So this is our small fabric that we're using to make this style now. So if you have yours, let's bring it out so that we'll get started with our tutorial now. And it's a bustier that we are making on this style that we're making. So my width of my top that I'm using is 12, and this how you also make it when making your own. It's up shoulder. So what I'm taking out from my tape rule is 5. So this is my measurement for the nipple to nipple line. So my nipple to nipple line, what I'm giving there is 3.5. So this is how you mark when making your own. So that is my nipple to nipple line. So that is the center side. So coming to the nipple points, I'm taking my nipple point by 10. So under my nipple point, under my nipple bustier, that is my under bust, is 12. So that's my 12 tool that I'm marking, and I'm giving that a straight line on it. So after that, now I'll also take my dot. That is what I will get and copy it very well. What I'm marking there now is 1.5. So this is how you also make your own when making your own. So that's my 1.5 to copy it well when you want to make your bustier. So that's my 1.5 that I'm marking there now. I'm also giving it a straight line. So after that, I will now come to my underbust. So that is my underbust that I'm connecting it from my nipple to my underbust. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So I'm also giving out at the center side of it just an inch. An inch is what I'm giving to also connect it to my underbust for the center side, giving it half an inch down to the length of my top that I'm making. So this is my half an inch. So after that, also you connect it to the nipple point. So that is my nipple point that I've connected out. So this is how you also go about it when making your own. So now come to the measurement. Now is what we want to make now. So I'm giving out my measurement now. That is my body measurement. So remember all what I just did there. So this is my measurement now. My bust is 38, adding 2 inch on it that we subtracted when cutting it is what I'm marked there now. And also to get my zipper, my allowance is 2 inch that I added. So I added everything to 2 inch on my sewing allowance, and also adding what I subtracted when cutting from it. That is everything there now is 4 inch that we added back to get our body measurement, so that we will not shorten our measurement. So I've connected the bust to my underbust, from my underbust to the waistline, and this is my cutting now. So just look at what I'm doing there and do it on your own. Please guys, always subscribe to my channel and watch my channel to the end, and give it a thumbs up so that the center front that I've just cut out now, and this is how you also make your own when making your own. So just watch every detail that you can see me doing, and it will come out the way you are seeing me. And that's my underbust that I'm notch, and coming to the nipple point too, you also notch it so that you will decate it, and that's my notching there now. So I've marked everything, I've cut everything, that is the front side. So now we'll now use it to lay to the front back side, and that's my zipper side that I want to also have. So that my zipper that I've have there now is 1.5 that I added to get my zipper allowance. And can you see what I've done there, using my scissors to hold it down, that is the side of my cutting now, so that it will not appear at the back. You know we are cutting the back, so just use your scissors to lay it down so that the front side will not look as if it's the back now. So this is how you also go about it when making your own. So that is the side, and that is the middle side of the bag that I'm cutting, so that it will not appear. Just use anything that you have to just hold it down, so that that side of the front will not appear at the back. So that is my notching also, to get my side, so that it will not give you that mistake to sew it. So that is what I'm notching there now, so for the side of it to decate on it. And also I will also notch the zipper side of the back, so I want to notch it now. So this is the sleeve that I want to mark now. I'm cutting it all together, that is in 2 pieces. So can you see how I'll spread it out? So it will have elastic, and my length that I'm having there now is 7. So just for me now to open it and take it to the machine to stitch it down, to run it and face our elastic. So this is how you also make it. It's a small purse sleeve that we are making. So now I've done the side now. I've joined everything, both the front and the back. So now we want to cut our neck. Remember, we have not cut our neck. So that my neck that I'm giving it out by 3.5. The depth of my neck now is 1 inch. So that's my neck now is a sweetheart neck that I'm marking at the front. So to the back, I will give it out with the same 3.5, but to bring down the depth of the neck is 1 also, but it's round neck. So can you see what I've done there now? For the back, it's round. So cutting the front now is what I want to make now. So that is my armhole. I'm giving out my armhole 1 inch, and you also roll it out. So I will also decate to see the body measurement, how it goes. So yes, the body measurement is actually that measurement that we have. So just for us to trim a little space that is remaining. So that is my waist measurement. My bust measurement is 38. Remember, my waist measurement is 28. So this is how you also make it when making your own. Can you see what I've done now? So the downside, I don't want it to be straight. I just want it to be little curve, and that's my curving at the downside of it now. So after that, just for us now to cut. So I want to cut the neck now. That is my front neck that I'm cutting. You can see the way I take it up so that it will not appear go to the back side. Now is the back neck that I want to cut now. So you can see what I'm doing with the back neck also, using my hand to raise it up so that it will not go with that v-neck for the front, because the round neck is for the back neck now. So this is how you also make your own when making your own. Please guys, just subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, and watch my video to the end, and that is one of the way you can also support my channel to grow. Watch my video to the end, please, and share it to your friends also, so that they too can also see it and learn from it. Good. Can you see the front of the neck now that I've done that? So this is how you also make your own when making your own. So it's a v-neck that we have cut it out, and we also stitch it. So now I've done the sleeve now, so I want to pass out the elastic to puff it out. So it will have 2 elastic at the down and elastic at the upper side, and it will puff out. And after that, we just take it to the machine to go and stitch it to the body of our top that we are making. It's a beautiful style that we are making. Just have your fabric and bring it out and do it the way you are seeing me doing, and it will come out good. You can use it to wear your jean, your skirt. Very beautiful top that we are making. So this is how you go about it when making your own. So we are done with the two putting out the puff sleeve and this eye to come out, and before then we'll now add it to the body.
You can see how beautiful our bustier came out. Very beautiful. You can see the bust is very beautiful, and the sleeve also, and the fabric that we made use is a very small fabric, so don't throw away your small pieces that you have. You can use it to create this kind of style. Very beautiful one. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you understood what we did here. If you don't understand anything, there's no problem. All you need to do is for you to watch this tutorial again so that you can know how to make this beautiful style. You can wear it on your plain trouser, on your jean, on your skirts, and you are good to go. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. If you have not subscribed to my channel, this is the time for you to do that. Please also support my channel by watching my tutorials to the end. You can share, like, and comment. Let us know what you think about today's tutorial. Very beautiful. You can also check other tutorials that we have on my channels that you can also learn the styles that we have made already. Thank you so much guys for always watching. See you.